This video we will learn how to put slow motion on TikTok in iPhone. So let's begin. So the process is quite easy and simple. First make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet you need to simply go and open up the TikTok app. So here we go. Now we need to go to the video that we want to make slow motion of, or in my case I would create a new video that would be a slow mo. So I would just go and tap on this plus at the bottom. So here we go. For example, I would be making this video like this one. Here we go. So it's a bit fast. I'm done. Now I would go to the next step, that is by tapping on this tick icon that is pink. I would simply move forward to the next step. So here is this video, and I want to put this video in slow motion. So now go and tap on this effects at the bottom. So you can see an effect icon at the bottom. Tap on this. Now you can see multiple categories at the bottom, that is visual, sticker, transition, split, and time. Go and simply tap on this time at the right bottom corner. This would open this one. Now you can see an effect of slow motion. Tap on slow motion. And now the next thing you can do is you can use this pink icon. So you have this pink row that would determine how many seconds you want to make slow-mo. Or for example, if your video 5 seconds and you want to do a slow-mo between 2 and 3 seconds, so you can select that specific part and you can do a slow-mo for that specific part. Like you can see the preview is here. It is fast. So for example, I do this one comes on. You can go for the whole video as well. So by doing so, you would be able now you can see at the once you have done with the effect, you can go and tap on save at the right top corner, and by doing so you would be able to make a slow-mo out of a TikTok video on your iPhone. I hope it has helped you. But before